The fuel nozzle on Master and Remington Kerosene forced air heaters should be cleaned or replaced at least once per heating season. Contaminated fuel could make this necessary immediately. Please read the owner's manual and all warnings prior to performing any maintenance on your heater. Do not use power tools to complete any step of this process to decrease the chance of damaging your heater. K1 kerosene is the recommended fuel source for your heater. Kerosene is more refined and will require less maintenance than diesel or fuel oil. The use of off-road or red diesel is not recommended. Before you start, make sure the heater is off, unplugged and cool. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from around the top of the unit. Remove the upper shell of the heater and the rear guard and set aside. Place the screws in a safe place and be careful with any sharp edges. Disconnect the photocell and black lead wires from the spark plug on the burner head for easier access to screws. Remove the 3 screws from the back of the burner head. The burner head can be pulled back to access the nozzle. Use a 5/8 inch socket to remove the nozzle. To clean contaminants from the nozzle, blow compressed air through the back of the nozzle. It may be necessary to soak the nozzle in K1 kerosene to loosen any dirt particles before cleaning the contaminants out of the nozzle. Reattach the clean or new nozzle using the 5/8 inch socket and reassemble the burner head with the screws. Reattach the photocell and lead wires. Replace the rear guard and upper shell. Fasten in place, alternating screws from side to side as you go. For more information or assistance on your product, contact our customer care department at 1-800-641-6996 or visit us at pinnacleclimate.com.